Mum's birthday.
Local cats are going to love you. Some of those pigeons will never fly again.
He couldn't bear the thought of you getting hurt. That's why he left.
I've bought you some nuts for the squirrels. You like to feed the squirrels?
You really loved Dawn. She was so beautiful and so kind. Broke his heart when she took up with that gang.
Mum, he left to move in with a brassy bitch half his age. Nothing to do with Dawn.
I miss her.
So do I. Those pigeons. Randy buggers.
You tore our family apart when you left. Tore him to pieces. Couldn't understand. Always talking about it.
Oh yeah, he was a real poet with his fists, our dad.
I protected you. And you left. You broke his heart, shouting and raging. No love in this house, no love, no love.
He didn't want love. What he wanted was, get your knickers off, or I'll beat your mum up. Your sister's fucked off, so all I've got is you ugly bitch. Pull your fat ass apart, or your mum gets it. So no, you didn't protect me, or Dawn. And he left, because with me gone, your pussy wasn't young enough.
I couldn't do no more. I couldn't do no more.
Me neither. Feed the birds, Mum. Feed the birds.